They say a woman walks the shore at dusk, where the dunes lean close to the restless tide. No lantern light, no path she trusts, only wind and the pull of the turning sky. Footprints fade where the shoreline bends, words the village won't explain. Some call her trouble, some call her strange, some just whisper her title again. She hears the waves like a secret tongue. Every tide has something to say. They call her the sea witch, walking where the sea meets the land, reading the quiet of wind and water, tracing old signs in the sand. They say the night bends around her, like the shore obeys her hand, but she's only listening closer than anyone else in this town can. Storm clouds gather beyond the bay, gulls turn circles in